In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an e-commerce app with Lovable. We'll move from a blank dashboard to a shareable app using Lovable's prompt-driven builder, keeping things clear and simple. First, head to the Lovable home dashboard. This is your command center where you can start new projects and manage what you've already built. Make sure you're on the main screen so you can access the assistant. Next, click on Ask Lovable. This opens the conversational builder that turns your instructions into working app screens, routes, and data models. Think of it as your co-pilot for scaffolding the core of your store. Now, type in your prompt for an e-commerce app. Be specific. Describe the experience you want. A product catalog with images and prices, a product detail page, a cart that updates quantities, and a simple checkout flow. If you want search, filtering by category, or a lightweight admin area for adding products, mention those too. You can also suggest a text stack or styling approach if you have preferences. Include the key data you need, like product with title, price, description, image URL, and category. Avoid adding any real payment keys or private credentials. Placeholders are perfect at this stage. A concise example could sound like, create an e-commerce app with a homepage, product list, product detail, cart and checkout, basic auth, and a minimal admin to add and edit products. Once Lovable generates the project, make your edit. Review the structure it proposes, update copy and labels, and tune the product schema to match your store's needs, such as currency format, inventory count, or shipping notes. Adjust the look and feel to match your brand by refining colors and spacing. If something's missing, clarify your intent and rephrase sections of the prompt so the assistant can regenerate that part. Keep iterating until the flow feels natural and the data model covers your essentials. Take a moment to check mobile layouts, keyboard navigation, and basic form validation so shoppers can browse and buy smoothly on any device. Finally, click on Publish. This packages your app and makes it accessible through Lovable's hosting or your chosen deployment target. After publishing, open the live link and confirm the basics: browsing products, adding to cart, and completing the checkout sequence. If you spot anything to improve, jump back, tweak the content or schema, and publish again. That's all it takes to go from idea to a functional e-commerce prototype with Lovable.